I want to shout out my alpha generals, generalettes, alpha male and alpha females in the building. It's your boy Stevie D with GSG Reviews, you know what I mean? Comment, like, subscribe, promote if you can, you know what I mean? What I got here for y'all today is another one, Alpha Era by GLD, you know what I mean? What I want to implement, because I'm doing a giveaway real soon, is for any videos that y'all like, for any potential giveaways I might be doing in the future, drop those medallions, man. We almost forgot what the medallions is for. That reps me and my channel. If y'all like anything I represent from GLD, click the link in the description, and it helps me and my channel, where you can get codes and discounts and things to you that benefits you and me at the same time. You know what I mean? Comment, like, subscribe, you know what I mean? And let's get... What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Stevie D back again with another one. You heard. Now, like I said in the intro, what I got here for y'all today is another watch by GLD. And as we already know, as most of us already know, if not all of us, the kind of watches they got is that Alpha Era watch. You know what I mean? That's the only watches they sell at this point. You know what I mean? What I got here for y'all today is that white gold / silver John, you know what I mean, with the green face and the stones around the face, you know what I mean? So let's see how this goes. Y'all already know what comes in the box, y'all know what the box looks like, but we'll walk through it once again for you guys, you know what I mean? Tell me what y'all think of this watch, and in a later video we will be comparing this watch to one of the other, you know what I mean, Alpha Era ones I got, so stay tuned for that coming soon, you know what I mean? Now let's get right to it. As y'all know, this is the box it comes in. Sorry for the grease marks. You know what I mean? My gloves gave it all this grease marks. But anyway, that's not what we're here for. And it was backwards anyway. You know what I mean? But you already know. It comes wrapped in paper. Got this dope presentation. You know what I mean? As if it's a red or black carpet for the watch. You know what I mean? Comes in this hard shell case, as we all know. Ain't nothing y'all ain't seen before. You know what I mean? GLD logo on the box, hard shell casing, dope presentation each and every time. You know what I mean? Y'all already know what's in this thing. Sorry for shaking the camera. This right here is that card that shows you how to work the watch and set the time with the GLD logo on it. You know what I mean? Now, without further ado, without taking too long, let's see what this is hitting for. Bow! And before we get into the watch, although that looks amazing, you know what I mean? You already know see, I ripped it out of the thing already. Every Alpha Era watch, plastic beater. Get it out of here. We ain't messing with no plastic, you already know. But anyway, inside the plastic was this thing right here. If y'all know anything about Alpha Era and GLD, every time they sell you a watch, it don't matter what watch, even the ones with the rubber strap, although I don't got that one yet, maybe in the future, comes with this right here, which is called a link remover. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? You know what I mean? Uh-oh, this one seems to be a little defected, you know what I mean? But it is what it is. You know what I mean? It's a link remover that you put your watch there. I'm not 100% on how to use it, but there are some of my fellow YouTubers that I love as brothers, you know what I mean, that will show you how to use these link removers. You know what I mean? This is hot. You know what I mean? Thank you, GLD, for including this with the price. So, now, without further ado, let's get into the main part of the video, which is the watch itself. Now, I don't know if y'all learned me by now. For those who know, for those who don't know, green is my favorite color. I felt bad getting the gold watch with the red face. I just felt like that was a good first time watch, you know what I'm saying, with the red face, because that red hit something different. But then when I went back, and then GLD hit you with that good old buy one get one free, you know what I mean, I had to go back and get the white gold or silver with this green face, you know what I mean. This watch is 316L stainless steel, you know what I mean. Let's take a look at this thing with the green face Alpha Era GLD logo, as y'all can see. And as y'all see, the CZ stones around the face. Now, most of you guys are into the all ice style joint, as I presented before. But if you ask me personally, I love them joints dearly. But For me and my personal taste, I can't wear that every day. This one to me is probably still not like an everyday watch, but I would probably wear more every day than the all iced out ones. Not saying the all iced out ones aren't great. They are. They look amazing. You know what I mean? But this is something you could possibly wear to a business meeting, wear to go out to do a small flex. You know what I mean? I wouldn't wear to work if you work in a strenuous job, but if you wear a suit or just a job where you don't do too much and you sit around, or maybe you do security, I don't know, whatever it is you do, this could technically maybe be an everyday watch, although I wouldn't wear it every day. You know what I mean? But let's get it out this pillow so we could really look at it. But like I said, I got this thing because when I got the gold one with the red face, I felt kind of bad. Don't ask me why. I'm a weirdo. But had to get the green face because green is actually my favorite color. If y'all didn't know, now you know. Let's take a look at this thing. It's wrapped in a little bit of plastic, as y'all already know. Got that GLD letting y'all know with the Alpha Era logo, letting y'all know that this is waterproof or water resistant. Like I say in all my watch videos, Alpha Era videos, this thing can go into water, but please don't go scuba diving and don't be swimming in a swimming pool like you're a fool. Like, come on, guys. It probably can resist a lot of water, but why would you want to chance it? You know what I mean? Don't go scuba diving. Don't go diving in the pool back and forth expecting it to handle every little thing, but I'm sure it can handle itself. You know what I mean? If you drop it in a puddle, or you spill some juice, or you spill your drink on it, you got nothing to worry about. You feel me? But take a look at this thing. Tell me what y'all think of this thing. This thing is kind of mean. I will add it to my collection. I'm not too big of a fan of the rubber strap joints, because if y'all want to know what I really love, I love that all black diamond joint. I should have been got it. I could have been got it, but every time I did have interest in it, it's sold out. It's sold out right now. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I'm thinking about getting it, but my pockets ain't the greatest to be spending $1,000 on the watch. But here we go. Now y'all brought me back on track. How much, Stevie D? Hey, yo, Stevie D, how much is that thing right there? This thing right here, this beauty right here with that beautiful green face, Alpha Era GLD, you know what I mean? Before I go off into another tangent, right now is on sale for $339. Yeah, that's right, y'all heard me, $339, you know what I mean? And right now, if you go to GLD, they are still running a sort of Valentine's Day sale. You know what I mean? If you click my link in the description and you use code I forget, it's coded, so don't use my exact term, but it's F for short of something, V-Day, and it'll give you, I think, 30 to 33% off. Use my link in the description. It'll support me and my channel. But right now, for all their watches and chains, they got another one, buy one, get one free sale. I suggest you guys, if y'all want this watch or any other watch or any other chain that I present, you know what I mean, click my link in the description and go crazy. Take advantage of their buy one, get ones, because that's the best time to buy from them. You know what I mean? They always do it maybe once or twice a year, and lately they've been doing it a lot more. You know what I mean? Please, go take advantage. But like I said, this is $339, water resistant, you know what I mean? Silver, 316L stainless steel, you know what I'm saying? Alpha Era watch with the stones around it. Like I said in a later video, I will be comparing it to the other one that's similar to this one, you know what I mean? Ain't much more I can say about this thing right here, you know what I mean? Like, comment, subscribe, promote if you can. You know what I mean? 1, 2, 3, I'm out.